Hello guys, let's just have a quick look at this 1991 immaculate condition Fairline Corniche 31. This boat represents fantastic value for money. It's on at 39.5, but will you see the condition of it inside? It is absolutely stunning. Stepping on to the bathing platform, we've got a lovely generous cockpit area with seating all around. You have your access to your flybridge up there. All the seats are in very good condition. Full Hilton station. This boat has had extensive engine modifications and upgrades done. It's on the button, very reliable. You have a little dinette down below here opposite the galley. Typical Fairline 31. It's a pocket ship, absolutely in stunning condition for the money. Full double berth there. There is a configuration to make this a bigger berth, and the owner has the extra cushion and stuff. But what an amount of accommodation in a 31-foot boat. Absolutely brilliant. All the details on mgmboats.com.